Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Heimann and Barseghyan. This is a game from French Team Championship played in 2018. Heimann had white pieces and he started with e4. Barseghyan played e6, d4, d5, the French defense, knight to c3, bishop to b4, the Winawer variation, e5, advancing the pawn, preventing knight to f6, knight to e7, asking a question, bishop takes on c3, b takes on c3, c5, attacking white center, this is the standard move, and now queen to g4, attacking the pawn on g7. Barseghyan castle kingside, bishop to d3, knight from b to c6, more pressure on the pawn on d4. Bishop to g5, pinning the knight, and now queen to a5, unpinning and attacking the pawn on c3. Defending the pawn, c takes on d4. White can't take the pawn on c3 is pinned. Also, the white pawn on e5 is under attack, so f4 was played. D takes on c3. Black is 2 pawns up. Heimann castle kingside. Queen to a4. Perhaps bishop to d7, connecting rooks, should have been considered. Queen to a4. Queen to h5, nothing serious, just threatening queen takes on h7, checkmate. Knight to g6. White to move. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Would you take the pawn on c3 with the knight, or would you play something else? Heimann played rook to f3. This is an excellent move. If knight takes on c3, then queen to d4 check, winning the knight. Back to our game. Rook to f3, intending rook to h3. Knight to d4, attacking the rook. I guess knight takes knight comes to mind, do you agree? Rook to h3 was played, and now knight takes knight on e2 check. This is very interesting moment of the game. How do you capture the knight? With the bishop? With the queen? Or would you play something else? What would you do? Heimann played king to h1. The threat is checkmate. h6 was played. What now? What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause and find the best move for white. What did you find? Did you find bishop to h4? If you did, no congratulations. After knight from e takes on f4, black is winning. So what is the best move then? Heimann played bishop takes on h6. After thinking long and hard, play with the break pieces, capture the pawn on f4. Knight from g takes on f4. Let's take it back. If g takes on h6, then the queen takes on h6 and white is winning. One line goes like this. Rook to d8. Bishop takes on g6. F takes on g6. Queen to h8 check. King to f7. Rook to h7 checkmate. Back to our game. After bishop takes on h6, knight on g takes on f4. What now? What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause again and find the best move for white. Play with the white pieces. Heimann played bishop to h7. Check. This is an amazing move, isn't it? Black to move. First move that comes to mind is king takes bishop. King to h8 was played. Let's take it back. What's wrong with king takes on h7? Then bishop takes on f4. Discover check, and after king to g8, queen to h8 checkmate. So we have king to h8, white to move. What would you do now? White played a move and black resigned, and the move is bishop takes on g7 check. Black resigned in view of this continuation. King takes bishop, queen to h6 check, king to h8, queen takes rook, checkmate. Wow, what a game! What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.